If you ever looked at the stock market and thought there are thousands of stock, how do I even choose one? You are not alone. Most beginners either follow random tips or invest based on hype, and that's exactly where they go wrong. In this video, I am going to show you a simple, beginner friendly system to pick the right stocks step by step, even if you have zero experience. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I make simple and practical videos about the stock market to help beginners invest in the right way. So if you want to learn how to grow your money smartly, consider subscribing and let's get started. Step 1, understand the business. The first and most important rule, never invest in something you don't understand. Before buying any stock, ask yourself, what does this company actually do? How does it make money? For example, a bank earns through loans and interest, while an IT company earns by providing service to global clients. If you can't explain the business in one simple sentence, you probably should not invest in it. Step 2, check company growth. Next, look at how the company is growing. You don't need to be an expert, just check simple things like is the company revenue increasing, is profit growing over time. A good company usually shows consistent growth, not random spike. Okay, this tell you the business is strong and moving in the right direction. Now, step 3, look at depth. Now let's talk about something beginners often ignore, depth. Too much debt can be dangerous for a company. If a company is heavily dependent on loans, it becomes risky during tough times. So, as a beginner, try to pick companies with manageable or low debt. Step 4, check market position. Ask yourself, is this company a leader or just another player? Market leaders usually have a strong brand value, loyal customers, and better stability. For example, companies that dominate their industry tend to perform better in the long run. Step 5, future potential. There is very smart investors think ahead. Don't just look at the present. Think about the future. Ask a question like is this industry growing? Will demand increase in the next 5 to 10 years? For example, sectors like technology, renewable energy, and digital services have a strong future potential. Investing is not about today, it's about where the company will be tomorrow. Now, step 6 is avoid hype and tips. One of the biggest mistake beginners make is following random tips. Buy this stock, it will double. Sounds exciting, right? Okay, but most of the time these tips come too late. Okay, a smart investor don't chase hype, they focus on logic and research. Now this is last step. Step 7, start small and diversify. Finally, don't go all in on one stock. Start small, spread your money across 3 to 5 good companies. This reduces risk and gives you better chances of steady growth. Remember, investing is a long term game. So yeah, that's a simple step by step guide to picking the right stock as a beginner. You don't need to be an expert, just follow these basics, stay consistent and keep learning. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comment what kind of investing videos you want next. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.